So we're going to learn a technique called flourish. Flourish basically means hitting an accent within the same movement. To give you a little more clearer idea, like when you want to finish a certain phrase, you sort of go out with a bang, or you sort of, at the end of a performance when the performer just waves their costume around. So that's a flourish, right? An exaggerated ending or an exaggerated full stop, right? So we're gonna do some poses and figure out how to flourish within those poses, right? So we're gonna look at 4 jazz funk poses. First one we're going to learn a flourish is, the movement is simple. You're gonna keep your legs parallel, in line with your shoulders, and you're gonna sort of shoot the left leg out. I'm gonna shoot my left leg out. I'm gonna bend on my right leg. That's the leg movement. I'm gonna go there. Yeah. My arms are gonna go. Right hand is gonna go diagonally up, and my left arm is gonna be by my side, laterally in line with the shoulder. Right. So I'm gonna go there. Alright, you can keep the arms soft, you can keep it slightly bent at the elbow, or you can keep it extended as well, but we don't want to sort of keep it really flexed, right? It's a soft line, alright? So, there are 2 ways we can do this. We're going to do this for every pose. So, either you begin slow and then you go fast, as in you accentuate on the way up, right? So, you begin slow and then you go fast, or you start fast and you sort of dissolve slowly, right? So, we're going to learn both. The first one, as I mentioned, is we're going to go starting off slow and then kicking into speed by accentuating the movement, right? So, the pose is this, right? We're going to start off slow. So, if this is the pathway, till about opening the hands, you're going to go slow, and then when you're almost hitting the posture, you're going to sort of move into it, right? So, you want to make sure it goes from slow to fast. Right? Let's try 5, 6, 7, and yeah, you can add your own head movements, you can add your own body movements, but this is the basic posture, right? Again, slow to fast, 5, 6, 7, and now let's go fast to slow. So you're sort of going to go into it really quickly, and as the movement is coming to an end, you slow down, right? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, and one more time. Alright. Pose number 2, when we learn a flourish, is you're going to go into the vertical space. So one hand is going to go up, and the other one is sort of going to come from down to up, right? So the right hand goes up and it traces the vertical space, and the left arm comes from down to up. You're sort of beating the arms, right? You can bend any one of the legs, whichever you feel like you're comfortable with, or whichever you feel like looks better on your body, right? Same logic. We're going to go from slow to fast, as in we're going to start slow and then bring it in, or we're going to start fast and then make it slow, right? Let's explore both. So we're going to go from slow to fast. So you're going to begin the movement slowly, and as the movement is almost coming to an end, you make it fast. Right? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and one more time. 5, 6, 7, and cool. Now we're going to go fast to slow. So you're going to go fast as you're almost ending the movement. It becomes slow, right? So fast to slow. 5, 6, 7, go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Alright. Third pose where we're going to learn to flourish is you're going to sort of keep your legs a little wide. Yeah, and you're going to bring them in. You're going to bring them in with the hand. So your hand is going to go in front of your face like that. So your right hand goes in front of your face, goes behind, and it traces. Yeah, the trace is not that important. You want to really focus on this, right? So the hand and the leg sort of move together, right? Same logic. We're going to start off slow, and then as you're almost approaching the end, you're going to speed up the movement, and then we're going to try the opposite. Alright? So let's go from slow to fast. Legs wide. You can keep your left arm neutral, or you can keep it in line with the shoulder laterally. Up to you. Alright? 5. Slow to fast. 5, 6, 7, go. One more time, slow to fast, 5, 6, 7, go. Alright, now we're going to go fast to slow. So you're going to do the movement and then as you're approaching the end of the movement, you sort of slow it down. So in this case, when it goes in front of your face, it's going to go really fast. When it's approaching the back space, you're going to slow it down. Right? So you want to sort of map it like that. Okay? If you feel like going with your instinct, you can definitely do that. But if you want to map it, you can do that as well. Alright? Going from fast to slow. 5, 6, 7, go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right? Moving on. Fourth pose where we are going to learn how to flourish. Alright? This one is a ballet technique. So we're going to do a rond-de-jambe. Rond-de-jambe is basically making a circle. So you're going to bend on the left leg. You're going to make a circle with the right leg. Alright? You have to make sure you bend the left leg. Otherwise the circle is going to be really small and you won't be able to really make the most of the flourish. Alright? Same logic. We are going to go slow to fast and we're going to go fast to slow. You're going to use your hands. You're going to do like a swimming hands. So your body also sort of moves ahead, yeah, with the leg. So the movement is this, right? I want you to take a small hop into it so that the movement is even more accentuated. Alright? So we're going to go slow to fast, which means you're going to start off slow. As you're approaching the movement, you're going to go fast. As you're approaching the end of the movement, you're going to go fast. Same thing, opposite. Let's try slow to fast. 5, 6, 7, and one more time, 5, 6, 7, and now you're going to go fast to slow, which means you're going to begin fast and then you're going to end slowly. As you're approaching the end of the move, it becomes slow, right? Let's try fast to slow. 5, 6, 7, go. One more time, 5, 6, 7, go. Alright, so try all these 4 poses, see if you can do a flourish. Flourish is basically, as I mentioned, it's like a grand ending or a grand end to one part of your dance. Alright? Flourish is basically to accentuate your movement, to add an accent to the movement, right? Feel free to come up with your own poses, try to apply the same logic, going slow to fast or fast to slow. It's very important that you do it to music, because that is when it's going to get accentuated, right? Without music, it just seems like you're doing different speeds. You want to go corresponding to the music, right? So we're going to try all 4 poses. I'm going to play some music and we'll see how it goes, alright? 5, 6, 7, and
watching. If you've liked our video, do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.